Arriving at Edison and Fort Winter Estates.
There's the banyan tree. Here is the banyan tree. It's enormous. Planted in 1927. Ah, these are banyan trees, huh?
Yeah.
So how hard is it to grow these?
Well, not very hard here. Where
Are they pretty?
taking 'em?
Right in Punta Gorda.
Oh, okay. Yeah, should be pretty easy.
Do they? Is it better if we plant more than one or just one?
Just one.
Just one. And what about watering, things like that?
Just like any other ficus, like a house plant.
Okay.
That I might have had.
Okay.
Dry
Great.
out slightly.
Now, how long do these take to grow to this size?
We harvest them out of the gutters of the gift shop there.
They come out of the trees, out of the nuts, right?
Yeah, the little fruits.
And not many of them grow?
Correct.
Ah.
They're about this big when we dig them out of the gutter, and
Okay.
I think we did that November.
Ah, okay. Great.
Awesome.
Perfect. I guess we'll just have to pick one.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you think, Jenny? That one?
Yeah.
Big rabbit. What? We finally got the banyan tree. We're gonna grow it. See how it goes.
Yes.
Our banyan tree. Eventually, this banyan tree will grow as big as this one. Okay, come on. Alright, to figure out where the banyan tree needs to be, I'm going to put it right in the center of this backyard. Which is, one line is this way. Now I have to run it the other way. Okay, here's the other direction. And that's the center, right where the shovel is. Center of the yard, so that's where we're digging. Here we go. This is where we're going to put the banyan tree. Okay, the rest is up to you. Miracle Grow potting mix. We've used it before, and the plants seem to really like this stuff. Carefully. All right. Anymore. You'll need a lot more dirt. Here we go. Now we're getting closer. That looks pretty good. Stand back, take a look. Here we go. First watering. Grow, little guy, grow.